Islamic Studies Department. Pakistan International School. Lecture number 11. Grade 7. Week 11. Chapter number 03. The Life of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Topic number 4. The Farewell Hajj and the Address of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Farewell Pilgrimage of Prophet, peace be upon him. The Farewell Hajj or Hijjat-ul-Wida. 632 Common Era. 10 after Hijrat. Is the final and only Hajj in which the Prophet, peace be upon him, participated. The Farewell Hajj and the Address of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Learning Objectives. Farewell Pilgrimage. All of Arabia accepted Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, decided to perform a pilgrimage to the house of Allah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, invited all the Muslims to perform Hajj. The Muslims started to come to Medina in flocks. Instructions given by Hazrat Ibrahim, a.s. Introduction. The Prophet, peace be upon him, performed Hijjat al-Wida, the farewell pilgrimage. This was his first and only Hajj that he performed in the year 10 after Hijrat. Realizing that it would be his last, he set forth a model for the ceremony which pilgrims of future generations could follow. Documented in detail in Hadith literature. He passed away in Medina less than 3 months after the conclusion of the pilgrimage, and as such, Hijjat al-Wida is generally considered to have been the culmination of his life's work. The Farewell Hajj and the Address of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Words. Meanings. Talbiyah is recited as one makes intention for Hajj. Khutbah is a Muslim sermon that is delivered on Friday. Sunnah is the words and acts of Prophet, peace be upon him. Hijrat means migration, going from one place to another. Jabal-e-Rahmat means Mount of Mercy. Mercy means kindness. Farewell Pilgrimage of Prophet, peace be upon him. The Farewell Pilgrimage, Arabic. 632 Common Era, 10 after Hijrat. Is the final and only Hajj, pilgrimage, in which the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, participated, accepted Islam all over Arabia. After the conquest of Makkah and establishing the true faith of Islam, the Prophet, peace be upon him, sent missions all over Arabia inviting them to Islam. By 10 after Hijrat, almost all of Arabia had accepted Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, decided to perform pilgrimage to the house of Allah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, now decided to perform a pilgrimage to the house of Allah. This is also called Hijjat al-Wida or the Farewell Hajj. The Prophet, peace be upon him, invited all the Muslims to perform Hajj. The Prophet, peace be upon him, sent messages to all the Muslims about his intention to perform Hajj, and invited them to his holy journey. The Muslims started to come to Medina in flocks. The Muslims started to come to Medina in flocks in response to the call by the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and many more would later join the way. This was also to be the Holy Prophet, peace be you. Instructions given by Hazrat Ibrahim. Hazrat Ibrahim, a.s., constructed the Kaaba on the orders of Allah and invited the people of his time for its pilgrimage. The Kaaba had become a center of attraction for Arabs and people all over the world. Dear students, write the answer of the following questions in your notebook. Short questions. Short question number 1. When did the Prophet, peace be upon him, start his journey for farewell of Hajj? Short question number 2. Where is the Mount of Mercy situated? Thank you.